What up though, y'all, and welcome back to your girl Bianca ChanelXO channel. It is like Tuesday and I've got like a late start to my day. Like, y'all, it's 7:21 and your girl is just now about to head out. I ain't even got dressed yet. I'm lounging around with a beat face and honey, like, get it together. But y'all, when I be off, I be in my chill mode. I just be chilling, and me and Noble was sleeping hard today, trying to catch up on some of our sleep before I go back to work tomorrow. So yesterday was Mother's Day. I spent the whole day with my mom, so we vlogged. I will be uploading that vlog. Y'all will probably see before y'all see this vlog. But y'all, she got me a Mother's Day card. How cute. It just says, what do you call a mom who's smart, caring, helpful, generous, understanding, and just fun to be with you? Happy Mother's Day. Love, Mama. The new mother of my grandcat, Nobu. Even though she spelled his name wrong, but but she put me out. I thought this was like so cute, and she gave me like a little gift for Mother's Day. I'm like, you're the only one that thought about me, because yes, your girl is a cat mom now. But y'all, I am about to go to Old Navy because I want to get some more shirts. Because they got a sale on their t-shirts, I think, for like 50% off. And I propped y'all up because I feel like holding my tripods, to be honest. My nose is swollen, like on this side, because it's a bump about to come in, a period bump. It hurts so bad. Like, I didn't even want to do my makeup. I wasn't even planning on going somewhere today, but knowing me, I just got to do something, child. So y'all, but I love this BoxyCharm for May. Like, BoxyCharm hooked us up this month. Like, I used this yesterday, this primer yesterday and today, and I am in love. It's the Cover FX blurring primer. And y'all, if y'all can hear my TV, I'm sorry, because it is kind of loud. I'm just hearing it myself. But y'all, this primer is so bomb. Like, today I put it on without any milk or magnesia because I want to see just how it would do by itself. So far so good. I love it because it's like a velvety feel. Like, you can actually feel it like clearing up your pores. Like, it's not like a regular primer, like how most primers be sticky or like lotion or something like that. This, you can actually feel like it's blurring out your skin, and I think my makeup look better with it. So I'm hooked. I love it because I've been using this primer, the Dr. Brandt Pores No More, and this one is cool or whatever, but it don't, to me, I still see my pores. But with the Cover FX, honey, I got your girl together. And then they gave us an ink pot from Pretty Vulgar, which they gave us stuff from Pretty Vulgar before. But y'all, Pretty Vulgar packaging is so cute. Look at this tube. Is it gonna focus? Are you not gonna focus? Well, y'all get the gist of it. But it's so cute. It's the ink pot, and they gave us like brushes and stuff. And it's to do like, I guess, wing liner. Which, y'all, I never do wing liner because I like my makeup simple. I don't like all the cat eye and all of that stuff. But I said, since I got this, and they did give us some brushes with it that I have not opened yet, by, I don't even know how to pronounce it. It's AESTHETIC. Aesthetic. I don't even know. Not even let me butcher it like that. But yes, I cannot wait to play with this because, like I said, I've never done a winged liner. So yeah. And this is in the color Blacklist, and it's gel eyeliner. So I said it'll be interesting to try. But y'all, let me show y'all. But this is like, this pack, they packaging is bomb, and I did look them up, and they stuff is like so cute. But and I thought that ink well, it's like olden days, like when they used to use those little feathers. Like, I thought it was so cute. So I am about to get dressed, and then we're gonna head on out because I know y'all probably tired of me talking, honey. But I really don't care. Y'all, hold on, let me show y'all what happened to my beauty blender, because y'all know they did the whole thing where you put your beauty blender in the microwave, in the cup or whatever. And y'all, let me show y'all what happened to my beauty blender. Like, dude, don't do it. Don't do. I just bought this beauty blender. The beauty blender Well, no, I didn't just buy it. I had it for a minute, but it was practically a brand new beauty blender because I never really used it. And let me show y'all what happened. Hold on. Hold that thought. Y'all, this is what happened to my beauty blender when I put it in the freaking microwave. Y'all, when I say I was so mad because I had put it in the microwave. I did everything that I was supposed to do. Put a little soap in the water, put it in the microwave for like 30 seconds. And I wrung it out. It took a lot of the makeup out, but not all of it. Like, it didn't look like a brand new beauty blender, but I'm like, okay. So I let it dry overnight. Then as I'm using it to do my makeup yesterday for Mother's Day, little black pieces started falling off on my face because I got the black beauty blender. Y'all, hold on, let me push y'all down. So y'all, I should not be able to pull my beauty blender apart like this. Like, look at this. Like, it's just coming apart with no effort. And when I was doing my makeup yesterday, this is how it was falling apart. $20, y'all, down the drain. I'm not putting no effort into pulling this. It's just falling off. And it's how it was falling off on my face yesterday. And this is what I am left with. This is what I am left with. My life is in shambles. Like, what is this? So I repeat, do not put your beauty blender. Do not put your beauty blender in the microwave. Don't do it. Don't try it. Sis, I did it for you. You ain't even got to worry about it. Don't do it. So let's get on with this video. Over here in this section looking for some different shampoo. I like the Shea Moistures, but I kind of want to try something different. Oh, and in the last clip I did go to Old Navy, if I didn't say that earlier, and try on some stuff. Basically just shirts, because that's what I'm really looking for, is shirts. So yeah, but now I'm looking for, they got my oil, y'all. That oil I told y'all about in my monthly favorites. Here it is. And it is $2.66. No. But yeah, I really need some recommendations for shampoo. Shampoo. You know, but y'all, I'm gonna get back with y'all in a minute. It's so loud in here. Y'all, I made it back home. Your girl done changed into some comfortable clothes. I'm about to take this makeup off. Went to Walmart, and as y'all see, got some stuff from Old Navy. I got like 3 shirts, and I'll probably show y'all later on, and some stuff from Wally World, and I'm chilling. I'm in the crib for the rest of the night, y'all. It was so crowded in Wally World, and I'm like, y'all, it's like 11 something at night, and people was just, I guess Walmart is the place to be. Walmart is the booming place to be. But if you've seen my try on portion of this video, then I bought the gray t-shirt. Did I buy? No, I didn't buy the gray. Scratch that. Didn't buy the gray. I can't even. I bought the black one with the flowers on it, and I bought. Hold on, let me just look at it. Like, Bianca. I bought the black shirt with the flowers on it that I tried on, and this navy blue, just a regular t-shirt, because like I said, I love my t-shirts. And this green one, I forgot I got the green one, and it's like camo green color, because I need some more shirts, and I'm gonna keep buying shirts. And I love like they t-shirts, like they're just so comfortable, they're easy to throw on and go and put on. So I got those. Then y'all, he double charged me for a shirt, because I was wondering about the price, because you know I calculate it all, honey, before I even get to the register. And I'm wondering like, what? Hold on, wait a minute, I know it's a sale today. And he rang up, of course, the most expensive shirt twice. So they supposed, hold on, where did I receipt? Because I sure didn't see it in my bank account. When I checked it, they were supposed to refund me back the $6 that they overcharged me. So I don't know, maybe I see it on there tomorrow. I don't know. I thought it was instant, but I guess not. But your girl is chilling. I'm about to heat up my dinner. I'm just gonna have, let me show you what I'm gonna have. I'm gonna eat my mandarin orange crispy chicken with my vegetable rice that I had from Saturday. Yeah, from Saturday. I'm gonna heat that up, and it's gonna be dinner tonight. It's gonna be a late dinner, y'all, because it's like 11:23, but I have not ate like at all today. Like, I have not really ate nothing. Gotta put them little bit of groceries away, and yeah, because your girl is hungry. All I have to eat this morning was some toast and my some tea, and that's pretty much it. Because like I said, me and Noble was knocked out for majority of the day, and I was supposed to meet up with my friends today, but that didn't happen. I didn't feel like doing anything or going anywhere like at all. So I think Basketball Wives comes on tonight. I didn't really watch last season of Basketball Wives because I was just like, y'all doing too much. Yeah, they definitely came. And Love and Hip Hop Atlanta. I ain't been watching Love and Hip Hop Atlanta, to be honest, because it's kind of a snooze fest. But I seen Erica, Scrappy, Baby Mama, look at him, messing with my Oreos. Yes, y'all, I got some Oreos. I wasn't even gonna show y'all, but Noble up to no good. Noble, why your fur look like that? What's going on with you? I be brushing him, y'all, but his fur is just so weird. His fur look like feathers, but y'all see this? Look at how he biting into it. He opening it. Noble! Hold on, y'all. Get him off this.